Are you preparing for the NISM Series 5A Mutual Fund Distributors exam and scared of numerical questions? Calculations like NAV returns or taxation confuse you? Don't worry, because in this video, I will show you how to handle numerical questions easily. Types of numerical questions in the NISM Series 5A exam. Before start learning how to solve numerical, it is important to understand what types of questions asked in exam. These are important topics: NAV calculation, mutual fund return calculations, expense ratio impact, capital gains taxation basics, investment growth calculations. Important formulas to remember. To solve numerical questions quickly, you must remember some key formulas. NAV calculation, investment return formula, expense ratio impact, capital gains basics. Step-by-step approach to solve numerical questions. When solving numerical questions, always follow a structured method. Read the question carefully. Identify the correct formula. Extract the numbers from the question. Apply the formula. Check answer options. Following this approach reduces mistakes in the exam. Step 1. Understand the concept behind the formula. Focus on understanding of what is NAV, how returns are calculated, how expenses and taxes affect investment. Concept clarity makes numerical easy. Step 2. Practice daily with updated questions. Numerical require regular practice. You should solve 15 to 20 questions daily. Start with basic questions. Move to exam-level questions. Practice increases both speed and confidence. Step 3. Use smart calculation techniques. In the exam, because time is limited, use smart techniques like approximation, option elimination, breaking questions into steps. This helps you solve faster without confusion. Step 4. Practice mock test. Numerical mock tests are the best way to master numerical. They help you improve speed, increase accuracy, understand real exam pattern. Regular practice builds confidence before the exam. Step 5. Revise formula. Regularly make a short formula sheet and revise daily. They are scoring. If you focus on important topics, follow a step-by-step approach. Practice regularly. Revise formulas. This ensures you don't forget important formulas during the exam. With this exam strategy, you can easily boost your score and clear the exam in your first attempt. If you are looking for the latest updated mock tests at an affordable price, along with short notes and video lectures, you can visit our website www.nismexams.in. Start your preparation today and clear the exam on your first attempt.